Start.
Good morning, everyone. See, we have got a problem. The difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the numbers. Here we are going to find the numbers. What are the two numbers, right? So let us suppose, what is the question first of all? The difference between two numbers is 8. So I am taking here two numbers, x minus y equals to 8. Second condition is, if 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times. If 2 is added to the bigger number, so I am supposing this number is bigger. Bigger minus smaller is equals to 8. So if 2 is added, x plus 2, to this number I am adding 2, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Result is equals to, this is the smaller number, so 3 times 3y, right. Now I got a number, so I am doing it in the rough for my understanding, right. So now x plus 2 equals to 3y. Then x equals to 3y minus 2. So I got this number here. Fine. So here, fine. So here in this x I am substituting this value, that is 3y minus 2 minus y equals to 8. In place of x, I have given this value here, 3y minus 2. Now let us do it. Now simplify this one. 3y minus 3y, take these numbers here, 3y minus y. How much? 2y. So this 2 minus 2 equals to 8. 2y equals to, this will be going here, so automatically minus 2 will become plus 2. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. Y equals to 5. So this 2 will be going down. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now I got this value. Fine. So now you can substitute this value here. Y equals to this one. So then you will get here x. X equals to 3y minus 2. Y is 5. So 3 into 5 is 15. 15 minus 2 equals to 30. X equals to 30. So like this we have got two values. Fine, that's it.